It's for altruistic games. There's been times a week I go without lunch because some bitch brought my lunch money. You know, any halfway decent girl can rob me. It's great. Because I'm too torqued up to say no. It's his. Sorry.
You better not be taking me around. Be a major downer to try and get together with this girl and find out she really does think I'm a slime.
Jake, when I dig you, let me put you this way. What happens to me if I dig you?
I'd kick your ass.
Right. So why would I lie? But I feel compelled to mention to you, Jake. I mean, if all I want off the girl's a piece of ass, I mean, I'll either do it myself or get someone bigger than me to kick your ass. I mean, not many girls in contemporary American society today would give their own word to help a kid like me.
I can get a piece of ass anytime I want. Sure, I got Carol in the bedroom right now, passed out cold. I could violate her 10 different ways if I wanted to.
What are you waiting for?
I don't know. She's beautiful and she's built and all that. I'm just not interested anymore.
Does that really matter, guy?
Yeah, it matters. She's totally insensitive. Look what she did to my house. She knows shit about love. The only thing she cares about is partying. I want a serious girlfriend. Somebody I can love. That's gonna love me back. Isn't this anything?
It's beautiful, Jake. You know, I think a ton of guys feel the same way you do.
Really?
Yeah, just they don't have the balls to, you know what I mean? I mean, they're wimps. Samantha's really special, man.
Make a deal with you. Let me keep these. I'll let you take care of all of them. But you gotta make sure she gets them. You can't leave in some parking lot somewhere. Okay?
Jake, I'm only a freshman.
So she's so blitz, she won't know the difference.
Jake, I don't have a car.
You can take mine.
Jake, I don't have a license.
I trust you.
Jake, I'd love to. I can't.
You sure?
Positive. Is this your car, Jake?
No, this is my dad's car. You said you couldn't drive a stick.
This is a mother. It's a Rolls Royce, Jake.
So?
So?